Why is this case going to trial? Is it, I mean, when I look at the case, I see the only place I can really fight this is where you have the murder one and you have the specific intent that's required in this case to murder. Maybe there's an argument to be made that she just wanted, it was a quarrel between women. You'll see it between men fighting over a girl, women fighting over a man. It's a passion play that turns deadly. Is that someplace you can go as a defense attorney?
Ooh, I think, it's a tough one, right? I think so. I think that, it's like the crime of passion, like, where you're in the midst of a fight and something happens rather than the premeditated, malice aforethought that you would expect in a typical first-degree murder. So I think that is probably where the defense attorney has to aim his focus. And other than that, I mean, I don't know how you get anywhere, but from what I understand, she had, defensive wounds on her hand, the victim did here. So it's really going to be a tough case, tough road to hoe.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, Christa, what folks need to understand is, even if because they have her on video following her, she had visited not her ex-husband, but her estranged husband at work, the victim did. They have her on video following the girlfriend back to her place, and they have eyewitnesses who see the fight between the two. What if there was just a fight that turned deadly? I mean, it's hard to even argue that because the woman never really gets out of the car.
She doesn't. She's belted. Right. In fact, in the car. So to my earlier point, I mean, I don't know where you go with that. And she was stalking her. She was also heard at the scene crying out, he doesn't belong to you or something to that effect. So she clearly went there with a weapon and with a plan, in my view. And that's what I think it looks like pretty clearly. So I don't know. I don't know why this case is being tried. I don't know why the prosecution maybe the prosecution isn't offering a plea that they think is acceptable, but maybe we'll see something happen after opening statements. Perhaps we'll see.
Yeah,
that sometimes happens.
It actually came out in the hearing that the defense doesn't really plan to call any witnesses. So they're not even going to put on a case, just hoping, I guess, to knock holes in the prosecution's case.